Yikes.
Okay.
And I have the hiccups. And so you'll hear me hiccup. And now I'm going to show you how to get rid of the hiccup. There's my hiccup. Okay, let me see if I can get one more hiccup going. One. There was another one. Okay, so here's how you get rid of hiccups. You go, breathe through your nose and hold the air in your chest. Then breathe again. Don't let the air out. Then hold it really tight. Compress the air right here under your rib
Your
cage.
diaphragm.
Diaphragm. You're having a muscle spasm. Breathe again. Don't let the air out. As much as you can. I have not let air out one single bit. Breathe one more time. And hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Don't breathe out. Breathe in, hold it. Hiccups are gone.
We're going to wait and see.
No, they're gone. No hiccups.